Welcome to Lesson 1, Test Driving a Java Program with the Java Development Kit, or JDK as we call it for short. Now before you watch this video, you do want to make sure that you've already taken a look at the Before You Begin video to make sure that your software is set up correctly. That's where we show you how to download and install the Java Development Kit and talk about getting the examples as well, which you'll also need for this video. Once you're set up, you can come here where I'm going to talk about compiling a Java program using the javac command. We're also going to run the same program using the Java command, and then we'll revisit the Java command again to show you a relatively recent feature that is meant to make it a little bit easier for new programmers to get into Java, but also it's a super handy thing for professional developers as well, because it gives you the ability to run Java source code files directly, which can be very convenient for doing things like quick testing or for running a lot of the examples that I'll present to you in the books and videos.